All right, let's simplify this. Okay, so we have negative 8 in a bracket, then we have negative outside the bracket, then we have the power as 8. Okay, now before we start, now if you are to take something to the power even, okay, if it is negative or positive, okay, you get positive. Okay, so we all know what is meant by even numbers. So if it is odd, so this side will be negative. So if it is odd and it's positive, still positive. Okay, so let's see how we can address this. So this one can be written in the form of this. We have negative out, so minus 8 to the power 8. So we have minus 8 times 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 1 2 3 4 5 times minus 8 times minus 8. So we have up to 8 times. Okay, so remember this one is even, therefore what is inside the bracket, the result should be positive. So this and that, the negative will go, this and that, negative will go, this and that, negative will go, this and that, the negative will go. So it means negative times negative is plus positive. Okay, negative times this side as 8, okay, to the power 8, that is positive. So we have something like this. So this number is very large, it's more than 60 million. So we have negative, after writing everything, the negative will affect. So we have 16. If you pick this on the calculator, so there is the answer.